Okay, so once again we are here at the beautiful Purple Valley Yoga Center in the garden, our beautiful garden. I'm here together with David Robson and we are going to talk about Chakorasana. One of the reasons is because of the vinyasa, which is there for all the leg behind the head postures in the third series, and also leg behind the head postures in second. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so Chakorasana is a pose on its own that we hold for 5 breaths on each side in advanced day, third. And then it's also part of the vinyasa sequence that we do for that sequence of leg behind the head poses in advanced day. And then it's part of the vinyasa for Ekapada Shirshasana in intermediate as well. And watching people practice, a lot of people have problems with this. So, do you have a problem with it?
Yeah, I think, I'm a little bit lazy when I do the vinyasa, and I think that my toe is always dropping down. Or I know that my toe somehow always drops down.
Which toe? This one?
Which toe is it?
Leg in the air?
No, the one that is it the one? No, the other one. Basically, when you're supposed to jump back.
Okay.
So
I see,
you're going back into like half bakasana, yes?
Yeah.
So basically not the leg that is on the arm, but the other one. The toe is dropping down and I make a little graceful jump.
I see. Okay. All right. Actually, I don't really understand.
No. If I would show
I'll just do it.
Yeah, you haven't noticed.
Okay. So I'll do the Chakorasana pose that we do in third. Okay. So we inhale into the leg behind the head pose. So I'll start with my left leg extended and the right leg over the right arm. And then hands down. I'm going to try to do more of a posterior tilt. Keep the left leg really firmly engaged and use the arms to pull the hips forward and the leg up. And the drishti is the tip of the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then inhale. This is what you're talking about, right? Come back into bakasana. Sorry, this is all exhale. Chitwadi.
So you're basically going back into bakasana.
Yeah. Actually, I said that wrong. It's from the posture, one exhale. I just paused it.
Yes.
To show the bakasana. But I think it is important to go back to bakasana before you shoot the legs back.
Okay.
Because otherwise, you start shooting one leg back while the other leg is still folded. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
And you see the hips aren't level. So I like to try to level the hips and then both feet come back at the same time. And do on the other side.
I don't know how that will be possible.
Which part?
The bakasana part.
Okay.
Is there anything I should practice in between to build up the strength?
For sure. So, as I go back here, right here, I'm going to keep pushing my left knee into my left shoulder, but I'm going to take the foot off the head. So see the left leg is still hooked over. And then I'm pushing into the arms. I can bring the right knee to the right shoulder and the left foot back. So I'm kind of transferring the support with the legs on the body. It's not just like legs floating back into space. You want to try?
Okay. Let's see. This will not be as graceful as David's transition.
No?
Probably not, no. Okay.
That was pretty good.
I'm focusing.
Again. Okay, hands to, okay. Tuck under, tuck, tuck. And then the condition is chin to shin. Pull with your arms.
Oh, should we redo that? You can actually have that one, that part in as well. Okay, let's start again.
Yeah.
What do you say? You don't have to be perfect.
I think you should leave it in.
Yeah, okay, we are trying once again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Okay. If you can believe it, you're supposed to get into the leg behind the head on an inhale too, from downward dog. I can't do it either.
I assume for some people that might be possible.
Some people it's possible, yeah. Okay, good. And then hands to prayer. Good, and then hands down, inhale. Tuck your tailbone under, this way, forward. Pull down with your, oh, good. Pull down with your left leg, point the right foot. That's it, good, very good. Okay, and now shift your weight, slowly. Push with your left knee against your left shoulder. Bring your right knee to your right upper arm. Good. Squeeze your thighs together. And then Chitwari. Yeah.
It's a completely different way of doing it.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Instead of just swinging the legs back, yeah. Yeah, I think it pays off because each time then you're building that little connection with your arms into your bandhas there, and then getting, like I said, the hips level and everything balanced before you kind of explode back, and you know. Otherwise, I think things start to get a little bit random.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, practice and all is coming. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.